Hello. Today we are sharing a brand new method of rose breeding. Fast rooting. High survival rate. Friends who like gardening must try it. This is a mature rose branch. Make small pieces with scissors. Remove excess leaves and branches. The incision at the bottom is repaired and leveled. This is rooting agent. Put the incision in the rooting agent. Let stand for an hour. Then take a banana from the kitchen. Peel off the skin with a knife. You stick the roses in the flesh of the banana. Prepare the planting soil. Put rose branches buried in the potting soil with the bananas. Water to keep it moist. One month later. The flowers at the top have long since withered. I don't know how it grows in the pot. Cut the pot with a knife. Find out. I've seen his roots. The banana peel is still intact. Roots are developing very well. Rinse it with water to see more clearly. Today's challenge was successful. Friends, you can also try it. Cut off the withered part. Then replant it back into the potted plant. Water again. It won't take a few months. You can enjoy the beautiful flowers. If you liked today's sharing, remember to follow, retweets and likes. Thanks for watching. See you next time.